English conversation practice.
A conversation between two friends about catching up on work and life with friends. Let's get started.
Hey Brandon, how are you doing today?
Hey Amber, I'm doing pretty well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing okay, just a little stressed out with work. How's your job going?
It's going pretty well. I'm getting used to the new responsibilities, but it's a lot of work. How about you? What's been stressing you out?
Just a lot of deadlines and pressure from my boss to get things done quickly. I feel like I don't have enough time in the day to get everything done.
That sounds tough. Have you talked to your boss about how you're feeling?
Not yet. I'm afraid to bring it up because I don't want to seem like I'm not able to handle my workload.
I understand, but it's important to communicate with your boss and let them know what's going on. They might be able to help you prioritize your tasks or provide you with additional resources to make your job easier.
You're right, I should talk to them. Thanks for the advice, Brandon.
No problem, Amber. That's what friends are for. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Not really, just wanted to vent a bit. How about you? Anything exciting happening in your life?
Not really, just trying to stay busy with work and a few side projects. I'm actually thinking about starting a blog soon.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of blog?
I'm thinking about writing about technology and entrepreneurship. It's something I'm really passionate about, so I'm excited to get started.
That sounds awesome. Let me know when you start it, I'd love to check it out.
Will do. Thanks, Amber.
It's been great catching up with you, Brandon. I'm glad we had the chance to chat.
Same here, Amber. It's always nice to talk to you.
I wish you all the best with your new projects, and I can't wait to read your blog.
Thanks, Amber. I'll be sure to keep you posted.
Take care, and keep in touch.
You too, Amber. Have a great day.